Hi guys, here another recipe which is just a double from the last one I did it for you. It just comes out much bigger, so I've been doing that. So white flour, 3 cups, strong white flour here. But you can put normal flour, don't worry, as long as plain. And 3 wholemeal flour, so 3 cups. So altogether 6 cups. You can do it all white, you can do all wholemeal, however you want it. So here I've done 6. I've put 1 teaspoon of yeast, dry yeast, 1 teaspoon, okay? And follow with some salt. Normally people put about 1 tablespoon. I just do a little bit, I don't do it too much. You can add sunflower seeds if you want, whatever you want. That's what I was doing last on a quick one. So that's a night before, and 3 cups of warm water, lukewarm water basically. Now stir it, make sure you stir it properly because we want it all be mixed. If it's still a little bit dry, just add a little bit of water, but make sure it's all very nicely wet and mixed. Plus I covered with a wet cloth. I left it overnight in the morning, so it needs to have at least 12 hours. Yeah, minimum 12 hours. I have noticed mine was very, very runny. It's not normally so runny, but obviously maybe I added a bit too much water, which is fine. So what you need to do, you will spend a little bit more time on pulling. As you can see, I'm just putting more flour around and pulling, forward. It was runny. It was exceptionally more runny than usual, but anyway, I was in a hurry when I was doing it. Still came out absolutely delicious. So you can see I've been folding, adding flour and folding. Didn't take me long at all. And in the oven, in the meantime, I had in the oven the cast iron pot on 230 degrees. So when you reach temperature, it's very hot. I take it out. You're going to see in a minute. So the pot is very hot, okay? So be careful, put a bit of flour in there and try to, when you fold it, put upside down so you have the folding underneath. However, it was tricky because I didn't want to add any more flour. It didn't need any more. Oh, sometimes it comes out easy, sometimes it doesn't. But you can see I try to fold it. So it wasn't the easiest one. Normally I do it, it's a lot easier, a lot quicker. So just put it, you can see it's a bit runny there. It doesn't matter. Wash my hands. I put the lid on. I stick in the oven, still 230. With the lid on, it's 35 minutes and lid off for another 15 minutes. So you can see it. You see how it is. It looks absolutely beautiful, tasty, amazing. I normally slice it, put in a freezer, so I've got it in case I need it, and because it's lots of bread. I hope you enjoyed it.